Okay, we've got the generator sound shield opened on this Westerbeek generator aboard the boat. And before we put it back, we notice that there's a rub right here. So, can you see if it's a wire or a
Well, I have
hose
to
that's
see where
rubbing?
it is. I don't know where.
Okay.
That looks like it's the. Might have been this.
Can you catch it? So that might be the dipstick that's rubbing. Let's
it's
put it in
not.
place and see.
Yeah. So it's right that. It's that high. There's nothing there.
Nothing on that rub mark.
Everything's still smooth. There's nothing there.
Okay. The boat's brand new, so we'll check with the factory for some warranty work and see what it is. Okay, so now you got to lift that up and slide it down.
Hang on, I'm looking one more. Yeah, there's nothing near that. Nothing near that. That up.
I think you got to go down underneath that lip. Is it hanging up on this side?
Hold on a second. I don't like the way it's coming down on that green wire. I want to push that green wire back in. the
Okay,
cable.
I'll hold it. I got it.
It's hitting that, and eventually will be an issue.
Okay, so that's a ground. It's a green wire, but that's inside the cage. Oh, look. It sits on these lips right here.
Yeah. It was hitting that. So are these outside or inside?
I think you got to drop the whole thing down to go below this rain shield,
Back up.
and then come back up. Would that little black thing pop out to give you a handle?
There,
There
that's
you
what I
go.
was trying to do. Okay, so that's up,
And then down
and
again.
then I have to hold it like that, and down, and close.
Okay, two experienced mariners. Only took us 30 minutes to figure that out. All right, so that's the Westerbeek generator. Closed and done. Okay.